Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: India saves substantial amount of CO2 emissions in the country. Power Grid commissions India's first VSC based HVDC system. Coal India Limited's Green Energy Hunt. Webinars on achievement in new and renewable energy. India Energy Exchange trades 6,540 million units of electricity volume in May 2021. Coming to the details, Perform, Achieve and Trade Scheme, a key program by Ministry of Power for large power industries and establishments to implement measures of saving energy and reducing CO2 emissions in the environment. The different industries and establishments are assigned separate energy efficiency targets based on their levels of energy consumption and the potential for energy savings. By the year 2020, the scheme coverage has been extended to 13 most energy intensive sectors in the country, including cement, iron and steel, fertilizer, thermal power plants, refineries, petrochemicals, railways, and others. The initiative is currently leading to energy savings of about 17 million tons of oil equivalent and has resulted into mitigation of about 87 million tons of CO2 per year. Standards and Labeling Program introduced by Bureau of Energy Efficiency is to provide the consumers an informed choice about the energy savings potential and thereby the cost saving due to the products available in the market. The scheme includes display of energy performance labels on the key energy consuming equipment and appliances with the stipulation for minimum energy performance standards. The impact of use of huge number of efficient products by the citizens have resulted into an estimated electricity savings of 56 billion units during 2020-21 worth over 30,000 crore rupees. This initiative has been effective in reducing the CO2 emissions of approximately 46 million tons every year. Power Grid has commissioned Monopole 1 of the 320 kV 2000 megawatt Pugalar and Thrissur voltage source converter based high voltage direct current system, which strengthens the power system of southern region of our country by enabling transfer of 2000 megawatt to Kerala through the VSC HVDC station at Thrissur. The state-of-art VSC technology has been brought to India for the first time by Power Grid through this project. The VSC technology significantly reduces the land requirement compared to the conventional HVDC systems and is particularly suitable for areas where land is scarce. It also facilitates development of smart grid and improves system resilience under various operating conditions. A unique feature of this project is the combination of overhead line and underground cable to address the restricted availability of transmission corridor in Kerala. A significant part of design, engineering, testing and commissioning for this VSC project has been done in India, aligned to the Prime Minister's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Coal India Limited's renewable foray is a part of its diversification agenda of becoming a carbon neutral company by 2024, even as it increases its coal output to 1 billion ton. The mining behemoth plans to power its mining operations through a 3000 megawatt solar portfolio, which would include 14 ground mounted and rooftop projects, thereby reducing its carbon footprint. Two subsidiaries, CAL Solar PV Limited and CAL Navakarniya Urja Limited, have been set up to push the green agenda, while CAL Solar PV Limited will develop solar photovoltaic modules and similar other products, adding to the value chain. CAL Navikarniya Urja Limited is mandated to develop non-conventional clean renewable energy sources including solar power. MNRE, as a part of Government of India's plan to commemorate 75 years of India's independence, Bharat Ka Amrut Mahotsav, by organizing events to celebrate the achievements of last 75 years, the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy has been conducting a series of webinars on achievements in new and renewable energy for 75 weeks. A week program in this regard has been drawn for standards and quality control activities during June 2021 to March 2022. The webinar will be addressed by the key speakers on the important topics, followed by the interaction with the participants. The focus of the program on standards and quality control being organized from 7th to 12th June 2021 is on policy and practices and also measures for quality assurance in the renewable energy sector. This webinar will be followed by technology-wise weekly webinars, SPV modules in August 2021, SPV inverter and battery storage in November 2021, solar thermal systems and wind turbines in Jan 2022, and SHP and biogas plant power systems in March 2022. Indian Energy Exchange has traded 6,540 million units of electricity volume in May 2021, achieving a 9% year-on-year growth amid continuation of COVID-19 lockdowns as well as cyclonic disturbances which affected overall power demand in the country. The day-ahead market traded 4,364 million units with average monthly price at 2 rupees 83 paisa per unit. The real-time electricity market witnessed a monthly income of 1436 million units with the average monthly price at rupees 253 paisa per unit. The term ahead market comprising intraday, contingency, daily and weekly contracts traded 383 million units during the month. The green term ahead market traded the highest ever volume of 357 million units comprising 194 million units in solar segment and 164 million units in the non-solar segment, achieving a significant growth of 92% month on month. Price discovery at power exchanges. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 137.94 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details, price discovered during night 3 rupees 3 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 2 rupees 9 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 3 rupees 26 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 2 rupees 65 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 2 rupees 90 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and good day.